Ito na ata ang pinakamagandang property ngayon kung saan ka dapat mag-invest. Kaya if OFW ka or someone na naghahanap ng investment para sa future at family mo, watch this video. Let me introduce you to Kamaya Coast here in Bataan. Ito ay mayroong napakagandang natural white sand beach, golf course, aqua park, and soon may airport pa sa loob ng subdivision. And here are the 5 reasons kung bakit sa Kamaya ka dapat mag-invest. Number 1. Meron silang overlooking and breathtaking views. From your beach lot kasi makita mo agad ang overlooking views ng West Philippine Sea at sa likod naman ang Mount Mariveles. Talagang hindi ka magsasawa sa mga nakita mong views everyday dahil most of our properties ay surrounded pa ng mga kahoy. Perfect ito sa mga OFW or retirees na gusto magpatayo ng retirement home nila. And as you can see here, sa view pa lang, panalong-panalo ka na. Number 2, long-term investment. Alam nyo ba na they already sold over 1,000 plus of lots na already? Meaning, dinadagsa talaga ito ng mga investors and retirees. Gumaganda na ang property mo at nag-i-increase pa ang investment mo. Number 3, accessibility. Dahil sa current developments dito sa Kamaya, pwede na ito mapuntahan through land, sea, and soon to be via air. For land, may ginagawang Cavite-Bataan Bridge ngayon kung saan 1 to 2 hours na lang ito from Naik, Cavite. For sea, we have 3 operating ferries that can accommodate up to 2 to 300 plus na passengers. Nasa Mawalang pala yung terminal natin at in 2 hours ay nasa Kamaya ka na. At syempre, for air. Yes, for the first time in the history magkakaroon ng airport sa loob ng subdivision. Yes, you heard it right. Airport sa loob ng subdivision. As of the moment, ongoing construction na ngayon yung airport at yung mga aeroplano ay naka-standby na. Number 4, prime amenities. Alam nyo ba na besides sa white sand beach kung saan pwede kayo mag-kayak, jet ski, mag-enjoy sa inflatable island, ay mayroon din silang beach mall, aqua park at swimming pool? Yes guys, may mall din sila sa loob ng subdivision. Meron na rin silang playable golf course kung saan pwede nyong dalhin ang family at friends nyo para maglaro dito. At higit sa lahat, open ito to every property owner dito sa Kamaya. Kaya literal na one-stop shop na siya kasi andito na lahat ng hahanapin mo. Kaya if you yourself want to see the property or makita man lang ang beauty ni Kamaya, send this page a message and our trusted agents will take care of you.